Hello people and welcome back to another video, and today this will be episode 3 of how to create a thumbnail for YouTube. Today I am going to be going over the topic of implementing images for like weapons or characters of a game or whatever you want. So it's really simple to do. It's basically like the text, but you don't add some of the inner shadow. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to find your image. So it's easier if you find one without a background. So if you go onto Google and then you search up an image and then you have to click on view image so then you see it correctly. If it has these like checkerboard behind it, that stands as a transparent like background. So therefore, as you can see, I'm only moving that weapon. So, and if I had this image, for example, and I just wanted this person, then I would have to go on to here, and then it would have to be the well, that one, don't know how to pronounce that word, but that's all. And then you would have to do this, you would have to go all around the side, clicking at each point, and then like say if I had gotten all the way up to that point, so and I wanted to get rid of that half of the background, and then just go to the side and then cut around the side, join it up, just press delete and then control D to deselect it. So, and then obviously the background will be gone, but I can't be bothered to do that because I'm not going to use this image. But so basically I'm going to use this image, so it's very simple. You just want to select that layer, so and then you want to drag it up to your thumbnail, let that box appear and then let it drop in. So then you want to snap into the corner or wherever you want it to be. So I'm just going to have mine simply in the corner like that. So very simple. So just like that. So and then just going to rename that. So and then if I double click on the layer or blending options, then basically you want to do exactly what you did for the text. You want to go to stroke and then you want to set this to about 5, I would say 5 at the most. I would say that's the best for it. So you can have a color overlay, which if you do, this is obviously optional, but you have to put the blend mode onto overlay because otherwise it will just be a solid color. So obviously you can mess about with other ones, like lighten obviously makes it a bit lighter. So little things like that, and then you can change the opacity of it. You can make it look a bit brighter to match the text, if I can speak. So I'm just going to keep mine like that for the moment. So and then once you've finished, you can just do OK. So but you can actually add a drop shadow as well. This is obviously optional again, but if you do, then I would either keep the distance the same or put it to 0 and change the size so then it sort of goes around the whole object rather than just like one side of it. So I'm actually going to have a drop shadow because that looks pretty good. So once you're done, just press OK. So and then it is as simple as that. So in the next episode I'm going to show how to save the image using a different version of like the save as, so it's actually saved for web and devices. So this will help the color stay as it were in the image when you're editing it, so then it looks a bit nicer. So a few people won't really notice a difference, but I noticed quite a few differences in my work when I save it through that method rather than the normal method. So thanks for watching, hope you have a good rest of your day, and I shall see you all later. Bye.